southeastern Denton County in north central Texas, south.
Until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Louisville, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Dallas, Plano, Garland, Irving, Mesquite, Carrollton, Frisco, Denton, Richardson, Louisville, Allen, Flower Mound, Rowlett, Grapevine, Wiley, Coppell, The Colony, Farmers Branch, Balk Springs, and University Park. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 35E between mile markers 435 and 462. Interstate 20 between mile markers 481 and 485. Interstate 30 between mile markers 49 and 64. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time for North Central Texas.